Hey Algebra students, we are here at Eaton Avenue at 7:05 on Friday morning. And we're going to attempt to find the slope of the Eaton Avenue hill. I'm right behind the high school, the street sign. You can see the hill on the other side. Of course, whenever you're riding on a busy hill or anywhere, you should use your bike helmet as well as the proper lights. Well, there's no cars. I'm gonna go for it. Wish me luck. Alright guys, I made it to the top of the hill. A little out of breath right now. And I didn't quite make it to the top. I ran out of gas a little bit, but if you take a look at how far I've come. And I've got an app here that's going to tell me my elevation. If you look here, it's still loading. But apparently I'm at 833 feet. Regardless of whether you can see that, you have to take my word for it. Now for the fun part, I'm going to have to ride back down because unfortunately, knowing how high up I am, 824 feet, that's from sea level. I obviously didn't ride up 824 feet. So I'm actually going to have to ride back down and figure out what the elevation is down there so that I can take the difference. Go ahead. Okay, so I made it back down the hill. I don't have a video of that. That was the fun part though. My eyes are still a little watery from that. And I measured the distance at the bottom, the elevation, and it was 691 feet. So if I go to my handy dandy calculator, this is called Desmos, it's a pretty sweet calculator, and I subtract those two, 824 is the top of the hill, 691 feet is the elevation at the bottom, and it tells me that's 133 feet of total elevation change. 130 feet straight up is what I went. But of course, it wasn't straight up. I had to travel a horizontal distance, and I can actually just use Google Maps to find that really easily. Here's Google Maps of Hamilton. I'm actually right here at Wilson right now, as you can see. And if I go down past Flubs, McDonald's, the high school, I actually kind of cheated. Rather than starting all the way down to the high school, I started right here. And it's really easy to measure distances on Google Maps. You just have to right-click and hit Measure Distance. And then I actually ended right here at this church, and that total distance it tells me is 1,387.16 feet. I'm going to copy that, and if you remember how to find slope, it's the vertical change, 133, divided by the horizontal change, 1,387.16. I hit enter. Uh-oh, what did I do? Don't understand this. Let's try that again. 133, if I hit divided by, we'll just type it in, 1,387. And according to this, it's only a gradient of about 9%. Wow, look at that, 0.09. So if you think about that, Baldwin Street is about 4 times as steep as the Eaton Avenue hill, just for a basis of comparison. And that hill definitely kicked my butt. I don't think there's any way I could make it up Baldwin Street. But there you go. There's a real world example of how we find slope. The important thing is you take the difference, you subtract where you started from where you ended to find the actual change. Thanks, guys.